Logan Paul's as big a star in this generation is Will Smith.
That is a crazy statement, but I can't even say that you're not wrong. Honestly, he may be in certain lanes bigger. I kind of hate to use Logan Paul as an example, but I mean, it is a good one.
So like that's what you got to compare it to, because it's like the movie stuff, like the movie star for all intents and purposes is dead, because they're not selling movies just based on that anymore like that. Yeah, now it's like, hey, this movie's on Netflix. It's a convenience thing, and what's his name happens to be in it.
Like he uses the online spaces and all that. Probably better than any actor I can think of in the last few years. Now, do I think he's a guy that him by himself could bring people to movie theaters? This point, without necessarily like him being in a Marvel movie or something of that nature, probably not. But if there's in the next few years, if there's an actor that could, I think it might be him.